Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in today, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to easily glow up for the summer. The weather's hot and you should be glowing just like the sun, so today's video will be very simple and using drugstore products. I'm going to start off by priming my face with a great combination product. This is from Stila and this is the One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer. I love it because it has all of the color correcting colors in one primer, so you don't need to use more than one product. I've already went ahead and done my eyebrows just to save some time. I just used my Anastasia brow powder, and now we're going to go ahead and get started on this eye look. So I'm going to double up another product, and I'm using this Essence Camouflage Plus Concealer as a eyeshadow primer, which actually works very well, and just blending that out with a beauty blender. For my eyes, I'm keeping it super simple and I'm just using these two colors. These are two single eyeshadows from Wet n Wild. This one is Creme Brulee, and you can see I've already hit pan on it. I love using that as an all-over base. And then this other one is called Nutty, and it's a really pretty kind of coppery, shimmery brown. So using a large blending brush, I'm just applying Creme Brulee all over my eyes as a base and up to the brow bone. Now I'm using a different blending brush to apply Nutty all over my lid. I actually decided after I did this that I really didn't like this brush for applying this shadow, and I kind of would have preferred to use a flat shading brush because I was getting a lot of fallout. So I just went ahead and went in with my finger and applied it all over the lid, which worked great. You can get rid of any fallout with a fluffy brush. Then I'm just going to go in with the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter in Highlight Bling, and using that light shimmery beige, I'm actually going to apply this just to the center of my lid to just kind of give a little pop of highlight right there on the lid and make it look a little bit more glowy. Then I'm just going to take a very small pencil brush, and taking the same shade, I'm just going to apply this to the inner tear duct area for a pop of color and glow. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this e.l.f. eyeliner. This is just in black and it's a pencil eyeliner. I'm just applying this as close to my lash line as possible. Now using a smudger brush, I'm going to smudge that black shade out closer to the lash line to kind of give it a smoky effect. I wanted just a tiny bit more definition close to the lash line, so I'm taking this liquid eyeliner from Scone Cosmetics in black and just applying that as close to the lash line as possible. And I'm just going in with Creme Brulee one more time and applying it right under the brow bone just to make sure I get a nice highlight going under the brow bone there and kind of cleaning up the edges. I want my skin to be glowing, so I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Dewy, and I'm wearing this shade Buff Bisque, which is a light medium neutral. I'm just applying this all over the face and blending out with a beauty blender. If you like a light coverage, you can just stick with applying one round of this foundation, but I'm just going to go in one more time just because I wanted just a little bit more coverage, and I'm just blending out again. Now using my Essence Camouflage Plus Concealer again, I'm applying this to the under eye circles and any dark spots that I might have, and then I'm going to just go in with my Beauty Blender and blend these out. Because I'm an oily skin gal, I have to set my foundation, otherwise I'm going to be a grease pit, so I'm just setting my makeup with a powder. I'm also just going to go in with my Anastasia brow powder and just touch up my brows in case I had gotten any of the foundation on the brows while I was doing my foundation. Now to add glow to the skin, I'm going in with that Hello Halo blush lighter again, and I'm actually mixing these two shades together and applying them to the high points of my cheeks. I find that the pink color adds a little bit of a blush tone, while the actual highlight shade really enhances the cheekbones. And I absolutely love the effect it has on the skin. I'm going to go back in with that e.l.f. eyeliner and just apply this to my waterline, but you can definitely skip this step if you're looking for a more natural look. And we're just going to curl our lashes and get ready for mascara. For my mascara, I'm using the Pixi by Petra Lash Lift 188 mascara in black. I absolutely love this mascara. If I twist off the biggest part of the tube, I can actually use the lash brush, and then if I just twist off the other end, I get a little brush that you can use on your lower lash line. This mascara is absolutely amazing and gives such length and definition. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to keep it really simple and use this Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. It's just a clear lip gloss with little holographic specks in it, and it just really adds to the glow and looks so natural and so pretty on the lips. I hope you all enjoyed this look, and I hope you'll try it out yourself. It's very simple, very easy, and nice and glowy for the summertime. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to leave any comments down below and leave me some likes. I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps the analytics on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!